people all the time about it. Hey everybody, welcome back. As you know, if you've watched any of my videos, I talk about elk hunting quite a bit. I drew a tag, just found out I drew a tag here the other day, and I thought I'd better pull the old rifle out of the safe and get it cleaned up. I never clean it up right when I get back. Everything's real dry out there, and it's super dusty, and I'm always so sick of seeing it, I put it away. You know, after a week of walking around carrying it. I've got to fix my little pad here. I need that to get my face up a little higher. I'm an old trap shooter, so I'm pretty finicky about how my eye aligns with things. And I have some kind of higher cheekbones and stuff, but I do want to talk about my rifle some. This is, I think, about the best you can get bang for the buck. I bought this rifle about 5 years ago. I think it was in 2020 or 2021, and it belonged to a good friend of mine who passed away, and he didn't leave it to me. I bought it from his wife, but it was kind of a sweetheart deal, and I know I've mentioned that before. But anyway, I have changed the scope on it. It's a VX3 HD 3.5 to 10. I looked at the cheaper American line or whatever it's called. It was pretty easy when I held them up next to each other to spend the other $100. And you know, I'm kind of a tight ass, but that really made a big difference for me. And I do a lot of glassing, and I even look through the scope too sometimes. You can tell I really use it for elk hunting. I've got some scrapes and some scratches. I redid the old Ruger stock because it was ugly, and it's not a whole lot better, but at least it's all one color now for the most part. It's 300 mag. I prefer 300 mag over a lot of things just because of the ammo availability. When I started hunting, I was loading a 30-06 load. It was 1/10 of a grain more was the max from 30-06 to the minimum of the 300 mag. I don't remember what powder and bullet, but I could go back and look. But anyway, so it's a pretty light shooting rifle. I have stepped up to the black box Hornady ammo for it. I got out there one time and I couldn't adjust the turret. So now I carry an Allen wrench for the turret. This is the quick adjust here, but I couldn't adjust it down. For some reason I was shooting like 4 inches or 8 inches high at 100. It was a weird deal. I got it back and everything was fine. But anyway, let's get this rifle cleaned up and go from here. I don't think that's savable. We'll just order another one of those. Well, I got that cheek piece pulled off and the adhesive kind of removed here. So we'll move on to the next step. Well, we got it cleaned up. I didn't bore you guys with doing the bore of the chamber or anything, but that's the best combination for an elk rifle there is. If you've got something else to say, go ahead and put that in the comments. I don't like a synthetic stock. I think they're junk. I feel like wood is the way to go. I always will. You can't change my mind. This is pillar bedded. The guy before me had done that. So I think it's as pretty well good as you can get. I do have it free floated. He didn't do that, and that shrunk my group down quite a bit. So anyway, if you've got a different configuration you like better than a 300 mag, a Leupold scope, and wood stock on a Ruger action, let me know.